Just a quick little video here today. This is a very cheap little, little stereo system I got. I just found this in the garbage there. The CD player was not working, and I just thought I'd show you guys a quick little trick to get the CD player working. Works perfectly now. But if you're experiencing a problem where you put the CD in and you press play and it won't read the CD, it can't get past the point where it's reading how many tracks are on the CD. It just says no tracks on the CD, you can't get it to start, anything like that. So what you do, on a cheap CD player like this, it's probably just going to go in my shop or something like that, it's just a little, you put it in your shed or whatever. You're not really concerned about breaking it or whatever. You haven't gotten any money into it. What you do is just tilt it right where the lens is, the laser. I think what happens sometimes is it just kind of gets jammed, or the rails that it runs back and forth on, they get gummed up with. So what you do is you just take your finger. It says never to touch the lens, but in this case, of course, you're going to. Just put your finger on right on the lens, just like that, and it's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but don't worry about it. You're just gonna push it back. Actually, it takes a lot of force to do that, but yeah, and that usually fixes the problem. I'm gonna actually put a CD in right now, and I'll see if she plays. Actually, I gotta go get one here. 1 second. So this is actually a burn CD, so a lot of times these cheap players have a harder time reading this. So if it reads this CD, that should mean it's good to go. Put her in. Let's see, she reads how many tracks there are. See if she'll play. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. So again, that's just a quick trick, okay, and it's a quick and dirty trick. Oftentimes I've done that. I don't know how many CD players I've gotten out of the garbage, and I've just done that little trick, and it gets them going real quick. But I should mention there's a whole variety of problems with CD players that CD players have, but these ones, fortunately, they don't have very many mechanical issues, because really the only moving parts are the turntable and the laser, the lens. So, and that well, a lot of CD players that have a tray loading mechanism, they have a whole slew of other types of problems. But with these little boom boxes, oftentimes that lens or whatever just needs to be jostled or put back. I'm not sure why that works, but maybe somebody else out there knows a little bit more about why that would work. But like I say, I've done that several times. It usually fixes the problem, and I hope that helps you out.